Hi, do you remember these? Sure you do. They were called an Orbit lawn sprinkler, or as we called them, a lawn tractor. They were very simple to use. They had no motor, no electronics, just like Vaughan Irrigators. And guess what? They're still around, still working, and so are our Vaughan Irrigators. Jack Smith designed these in 1930. Got a patent on it in 1939, but it's a little different than ours, and I'll show you why. This uses a worm gear. It was a plastic worm gear. Well, our Vaughan Irrigators share the same easy to understand and simple to use water-powered brilliance, but we take it to the next level for farms and ranches. Instead of following a hose like the Orbit did, we use a sturdy winch system. The boom's rotation harnesses water power to retrieve up to 1,200 feet of cable, pulling the irrigator across large fields. With up to 5 adjustable speeds, you can control exactly how much water goes down. There are a lot of similarities, obviously, between the Orbit and Vaughan, but there's a major difference, and that is that the Orbit lawn sprinkler is made in China, whereas Vaughan Irrigators are made in the USA, hand-built right here in Henderson, Nevada. That's right, it's hot-dip galvanized steel for lasting durability, simple and rugged, and American-made. That's Vaughan Irrigators USA.